guys, this is Maninki. Welcome back to my channel, Voice of Maninki. Today we will talk about life cycle of Taenia. And if you are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel. And if you like my video, please do like, comment and share my video. Okay, so in our last lecture, we have seen the structure of Taenia. Today we will see its life cycle. So eggs or gravid proglottids are passed with human feces. So we have seen what is gravid proglottid. So these proglottids are basically present at the posterior end of the body and they are full of fertilized eggs. So like in these segments you can call them gravid proglottids where full of fertilized eggs are present. Okay. Now they are passed with human feces. Okay. Now pigs eat those feces due to their coprophagous habit. We know that pigs eat feces, human feces. That's why they eat them. Now in the pig intestine, the oncospheres hatch. So basically if you see this picture, here is the human intestine and in the human intestine adult tapeworms reside and their gravid proglottids are released and they are loaded with eggs and they are passed out in feces and those eggs or proglottids are ingested by pig and then it is the intestine of pig. So pig in the intestine of pig oncospheres hatch from those eggs. Okay. Okay. Now they invade the intestinal wall and migrate to the striated muscles in any part of the body. So basically striated muscles are generally skeletal muscles. Skeletal muscles. And there they develop into cysticerci. So those oncospheres they move in the blood and reach to the skeletal muscle and they become cysticercus or cysticerci. Okay. Now humans become infected by ingesting raw or undercooked infected meat. Now these are known as measly pork which are infected by cysticerci and once human uh, eat them and without proper cooking, without boiling, so they are infected by these cysticerci. Okay. Now in the human intestine, those cysticercus develop into the adult tapeworm. So here is the cysticercus in the human intestine and they get developed into the adult tapeworm. And the adult tapeworms attach to the small intestine of human by their scolex and they reside in the small intestine. So we know what is scolex. Scolex is the head portion of the tapeworm and they attach through those scolex since scolex are full of hooks, suckers and they reside in the small intestine. And the adults produce proglottids which mature, become gravid, detach from the tapeworm and migrate to the anus and pass in the stool and the cycle is getting repeated. And we know that the human is the basically primary host and we know what is primary host. So primary host is where the parasite reaches its adult stage and reproduces sexually. So in this case, Cysticercus reaches its adult stage, adult tapeworm, and they reproduce sexually and they produce fertilized eggs. And the secondary host is the pig basically. So secondary host is a host where the parasite develops but does not reach sexual maturity. So in the secondary host, in this case pig, the egg or oncospheres develop. they hatch from the eggs, and they oncospheres basically change their structure and they get modified into cysticercus. So these are the developmental changes inside the pig's body, since pig is the secondary host. So in this way, the life cycle of this worm continues. So this is all about today's lecture. I hope you liked the lecture. Thank you for watching my video.